What's going on, everybody? My name is Timothy Kamalo. I want to share a program with you that's going around on the internet. I met them through Facebook. It's the Forex Beginners Academy. I've been with the free program for probably about, I say, 6 months. Real good fella. Real good mentor. He helps you out as much as he can. Got a lot of people joining the program. I think he's up to 25,000 free members on the Facebook group. He's got a public group where he gives you all the information on how to sign up, how to train, how to study, how to come in, how you can do the lessons. That way you can move up and advance to the private group where you can share your charts through TradingView, where other members can view your charts, critique your charts, give you info on your charts. The things I've learned from joining, I've learned how to read the charts, how to draw up my support and resistance, my Fibonacci retracement, learn how to do moving averages, how to set your moving averages, what they mean as far as the trend moving up or down, and your mindset, on how to have a good, clear mind on when to enter a trade, your risk management, all that plays in effect if you want to become a good trader. And it's helped me out. I've got a long ways to go, but so far I haven't stopped at it, so I'm still going. Still trying to learn. You learn how to do candlestick analysis. He's real good. He wants to get you this information out there, and it's easy to join. It's free to join, so just check him out over at let's see, he's got on his public group on Facebook. It's Forex Trading for Beginners. If you see that group come across on Facebook, check it out. If you want to learn more about Forex, how to trade the pairs, and then if you work your way up to the private students group, you'll be in an elite group of chart analysis gurus trying to learn how to do the charts and help everybody out. Thanks Saad Ali, the mentor, for helping me out. He's even sent me through Messenger. They were trying to keep me calm down because me being me, I jump out there on my own sometime and start up a live account, not knowing what I'm doing, and he's helped me with that, so I appreciate that. Thanks again, Saad, and thanks for the program. Thanks for helping me out. Hope y'all enjoy the video.